First, I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone who watched that video. I did not expect it to get the traction that it has. But this question keeps coming up. How is, all this abuse not allowed in court? Well, it's considered hearsay. I even went to the state prosecutor and I said, what does it take for a child in this state to get justice for something like this? And I was told that they had to, one, file a police report themselves, or two, be here to testify. And of course, unfortunately, neither of those were an option for Alissa. So anything that Alissa told someone else is considered hearsay because she wasn't there to say it for herself. Even her own letters were considered to be hearsay. And there were some witnesses who, saw the abuse, the physical abuse, and they weren't allowed to testify because it wasn't within the very specific time frame. I think it was 2 years before Alissa went missing. Don't quote me on that, I have to go check. But essentially, if it didn't happen within that time frame, they couldn't testify about it, even though this was a lifelong pattern. So it's just really sad. During the court, I was looking at the jury to kind of gauge their reaction, and they were horrified the entire time, shaking their heads. They seemed extremely disturbed by what they were hearing, but it never even made it to the jury. The judge threw it out on a technicality, so here we are. But again, thank you so much for watching.